Welcome to today's video. In this session, we are going to explore the best high-yield savings accounts in the United States for the year 2025. If you're looking to grow your money safely while keeping it accessible and at the same time earning attractive interest rates, then you are in the right place. By the end of this video, you will have a clear idea of what a high-yield savings account is, why it is better than a normal savings account, which banks are offering the best options in 2025, and how you can maximize your returns. Section 1. What is a high-yield savings account? Let's start with the basics. A high-yield savings account, often called HISA, is a special type of savings account offered by banks and credit unions. The main difference between a regular savings account and a high-yield savings account is the interest rate. While a traditional savings account in the US may offer you something very low, usually less than 0.5% annual percentage yield, also known as APY, a high-yield savings account can offer much more. In 2025, many banks are offering between 4% to 5% APY. That means if you keep your money in such an account, it grows faster without any extra risk. So, in simple terms, a high-yield savings account is just like a normal savings account, but it pays you a lot more interest. Section 2. Why should you open a high-yield savings account? There are three main reasons. First, you get higher returns compared to a regular savings account. If you are saving money for short-term goals or just want to keep your emergency funds safe, earning 4 to 5% interest makes a big difference. Second, your money remains safe. Almost all high-yield savings accounts are FDIC insured up to $250,000. That means even if the bank fails, your money is still protected by the government. Third, you maintain liquidity. Unlike certificates of deposit or long-term investments, you can withdraw your money from a high-yield savings account whenever you need it, without penalties. That makes it perfect for both saving and flexibility. Section 3. Best high-yield savings accounts in 2025. Now let us talk about some of the best high-yield savings accounts available in the USA this year. I will cover 5 popular options that stand out in 2025. Number 1. Ally Bank. Ally Bank offers around 4.25% APY. There's no minimum deposit requirement, which makes it great for beginners. Ally also has a very user-friendly mobile app, so managing your money becomes simple. Number 2, Discover Online Savings. Discover offers about 4.3% APY. There are no monthly fees, and the account is easy to access online. If you like to do all your banking digitally, Discover is a solid choice. Number 3, American Express High Yield Savings. American Express currently offers around 4.35% APY. It comes with excellent customer service and the trust of a very strong financial brand. Many people choose it because of reliability. Number 4, Marcus by Goldman Sachs. Marcus provides about 4.40% APY. It is a great choice for people who want a stable bank with strong backing. Their online platform is also easy to use and focused on savings. Number 5, Synchrony Bank. Synchrony is offering one of the highest interest rates right now, SPAC, around 4.50% APY. They even provide an optional ATM card, which makes it easier to access your money when you need it. This makes Synchrony very attractive for people who want both high interest and easy access. Section 4, Things to consider before opening an account. Before you jump in and open any high-yield savings account, there are a few important points you must consider. Number 1, always check the interest rate. Rates can change, so look for banks with a history of staying competitive. Number 2, look for fees. Some accounts may charge for certain activities, so make sure there are no hidden costs. Number 3, minimum balance requirements. Some banks may ask you to maintain a certain amount to get the best rate. Choose an account that fits your savings level. Number 4, digital banking features. Since most high-yield savings accounts are online, you should make sure the bank has a smooth website, a mobile app, and easy transfer options. Section 5, Tips to maximize benefits. Now let me give you a few tips on how to get the most out of your high-yield savings account. Tip 1, keep your emergency fund in a high-yield savings account. Since you need quick access and safety, this is the best place for that money. Tip 2, automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account every month. This way, your money keeps growing without you even thinking about it. Tip 3, avoid withdrawing too often. The more you leave your money untouched, the more interest it earns. Use the account for saving, not for daily spending. Tip 4, compare rates from time to time. Banks update their interest rates, so check every few months to make sure you are getting the best deal. If another bank is offering more, consider switching. Conclusion. High yield savings accounts are one of the safest and smartest ways to grow your money in 2025. They combine the security of FDIC insurance with the benefit of high interest rates. Whether you choose Ally, Discover, American Express, Marcus, or Synchrony, the most important thing is to get started. Don't let your money sit in a regular account earning almost nothing. Instead, open a high yield savings account and let your savings work for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe for more financial tips and updates.